following a path with a long history.
Trump is losing his capacity to control his fate with legal threats swirling. An ex-president who's always on the attack will no longer be the sole orchestrator of his fate. When Donald Trump officially becomes a criminal defendant on Tuesday, he'll be subject to a legal system he can't control. Trump has long conjured political storms, alternative realities, legal imbroglios and media spectacles to blur the truth or discredit institutions that have constrained his rule-busting behavior. He'll lose that ability when he steps before the court at his arraignment in a case related to a hush money payment to an adult film actress. And there are increasing signs that this new reality, which will come with hefty financial commitments in legal fees and locks on Trump's calendar, could be multiplied at a time when he's already facing the intense demands of another White House bid. That's because the ex-president, the first to face criminal charges, also appears to face serious problems in a potentially more perilous case, involving his alleged mishandling of secret documents being investigated by special counsel Jack Smith. Charges look like an increasing possibility as the Justice Department secures evidence about Trump's handling of classified documents after leaving the White House. Smith's prosecutors have secured daily notes, texts, emails and photographs and are focused on cataloging how Trump handled classified records around Mar-a-Lago and those who may have witnessed the former president with them. The new details coincide with signs the Justice Department is taking steps consistent with the end of an investigation. Trump's former lawyer, Ty Cobb, told CNN's Erin Burnett that the developments represent a serious turn in the case for the ex-president. "We've known the investigatory steps were underway, we just haven't known alleged results until today," Cobb said. "I think these are highly consequential. The documents case may not be the end of it." Smith is also investigating Trump's conduct in the run-up to the U.S. Capitol insurrection. Then there's also a possible prosecution in Georgia led by a district attorney probing the ex-president's attempt to overturn the 2020 election result in the swing state. Trump denies any wrongdoing in all of these investigations. He has described his behavior in Georgia as perfect, and he has lambasted the sealed indictment in New York, where he faces more than 30 counts related to business fraud, as an example of politicized justice. But at a grave moment for the country, given that an ex-president and current presidential candidate is about to appear in court, there's also growing sense of inexorably building pressure on Trump that will compromise his capacity to evade accountability. Trump tries to direct his own media circus. Trump made a big show on Monday of his return to New York ahead of his arraignment. The snaking motorcade of black Secret Service SUVs to and from his private Boeing 757, in its sparkling new livery, carried overtones of a presidential movement in a power play meant to send a message of strength. After court Tuesday, he will return to his Mar-a-Lago resort and reclaim the media spotlight with a primetime speech he will likely use to proclaim his innocence, attack the New York case as political persecution, and try to distract from the fact he will be a criminal defendant. So guys, hopefully you have liked this video, and if you liked this video, subscribe our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.